Hello and welcome to Fireside History. Now, today we're going to be dealing with how Mercily was put in a difficult situation following the death of Sharikushu. He was invaded on pretty much three sides, with having to conduct campaigns in three regions simultaneously. Now, where previous kings had found difficulty managing such problems, Mercily II, handled it like a champ. He had no problem with delegation, so he dispatched his general Kurunta to deal with the rebellion of his Syrian vassals, and another of his generals, the experienced naval Nuanza, to expel the Azihayazan enemy from the upper land. And the king himself set out for Ashtata on the Euphrates to make preparations for driving the Assyrians from Carchemish. Nuanza has figured in a few of the campaigns from Marshally's second year, when he was sent with an army to Kadesh to provide reinforcements for Sharikushu against the threat of an invasion from Assyria. But now he ended up having to mount his own campaign, and it was delayed because of augurs and soothsayers who had to be consulted first. And Mercily himself took the omens and sent word to Nuanza, assuring him that he could proceed. So the two religious men were very concerned about getting godly help with their war. And Nuanza, did so in an amazing manner and restored Hittite occupation of the upper land. And as far as we can determine, the upper land remained firmly in Hittite hands for the rest of Marshally's reign, under the immediate authority of a local governor, of course. As for Kurunta, he, crushed a rebellion in Nuhashi and ravaged its territory and reestablished Hittite control over Kadesh, but he kind of brought back, there was kind of a moral dilemma for Marshally due to this campaign, as his takeover was facilitated by the assassination of Itakama, the local king of Kadesh, by the man's own son, Nikmadu. And in the comprehensive annals, Mercily gives out the details. Itakama was king of Kadesh, and Nikmadu was his eldest son. As he saw that they were besieged and short of grain, Nikmadu killed his father, Itakama. Thereafter, Nikmadu and the land of Kadesh turned to my side again and submitted to me. Now, the initial reaction from Mercily was to reject Nikmadu as his vassal, wherein he tells us that because he was angry because the act of parricide was, a crime in Hittite society, and Mercily had quite the conscience when it comes to that sort of thing. So, here we go. Under these circumstances, I did not accept Nikmadu into vassalage. Since they had violated the oath, I said to them, let the gods of the oath carry out the curse. Let son kill father. Let brother kill brother. Let everyone extinguish his own flesh. Nevertheless, sadly for Mercily in his eyes, I guess, political considerations had to prevail over his moral scruples, and Nikmadu was eventually installed on his father's throne. And that concludes this video, where we'll follow the crushing of the last rebellion next time and follow Marshally himself. So here we go. And don't forget to share the video, because we really want to get to 1,000 subscribers, and subscribe. We really do need to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we'd very much appreciate your help with that. So until then, take care and, stay healthy.